Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Michael Ryan Yesto. And for today's episode 58, mga must-try food and DIY milk tea by TEAjuana Delish. Portuguese Custard Tarts or pastel de nata are a deliciously flaky dessert that migrated to Macau and became a local favorite. This custard tart recipe yields buttery, sweet tarts with an aromatic custard that gets baked until just scorched on top. Let's make your do-it-yourself milk tea experience a full mix. With a bunch of new flavors, get 2 amazing drinks all in one DIY milk tea kit. And they're direct importer from Taiwan. They're also available for Maxim food delivery, and they're open every day with the requirement of 1-day advance order. And for their fullest of menus and delivery details, I'll be providing description down below. And this episode is sponsored by TEAjuana Delish. And disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Hi there mga kanos, reviewing food and DIY products by Delish and TEAjuana. Before anything else, please do like this video to support and promote our local brands here in Iloilo City, and share this video to one of your friends. And comment down below kung anong drinks or food na gusto try for TEAjuana Delish. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose, at para always kayo notified sa my latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. So I have 2 local brands, one for taste test and one for DIY milk tea. So I'm very excited mga kanos kasi this will be my very first na itry yung products nila, and most especially sa DIY for milk tea. Ito, matagal ko na siyang pangarap na gawin sa episodes ko, and luckily for TEAjuana meron silang DIY milk tea packages. So isa-decide ko muna yan. So pakita ko yun mamaya mga kanos kung paano yung procedure, yung ingredients, and overall presentation when it comes to their products. Start muna tayo kay Delish for their Portuguese Custard Tarts. For our first product, these are Portuguese Custard Tarts or classic for 6 pieces in a box for 200 pesos. So upon delivering pa lang mga kanos, itong tarts nila, freshly baked siya at mainit pa sa box. So I'm very excited na taste to kasi it looks very appealing, very tasty. Ang sarap mga nose. When it comes to crust, it has a perfectly balanced for its crunchiness, combination for its softness, density, yung right amount of sweetness. For next product, these are ube halaya for 6 pieces in a box for 230 pesos. Ako ay may big fan of ube or halaya, especially when it comes sa food or drinks. Ito, hindi siya artificial sweetener or flavoring. Pure ube halaya talaga. And also, nandun talaga yung outstanding, yung natural flavor for their product. For next product, these are Boba sugar for 6 pieces in a box for 230 pesos. It's worth the hype talaga. Hindi lang siya bestseller, hindi lang siya eye-appealing, and also for its taste. Very superb yung deliciousness, for its sugar level, on point siya. When it comes sa Boba Sugar Tart, na-amaze ako kasi habang kinakain ko siya, magre-recall talaga sa'yo na parang umiinom ka or kumakain ng milk tea. Kasi meron siyang tapioca pearls inside, gooey, very chewy. So let's proceed for our second product for TEAjuana DIY milk tea package. So i-set aside ko lang muna to. So ayan mga nos, we have here our DIY milk tea kit by TEAjuana. So meron silang 2 options. They have 200, good for 1 to 2 serving. Yan yung gagawin natin. And also for 350, good for 4 to 5 servings. For their milk tea flavors, you could choose from Hokkaido, Okinawa, brown sugar, and yung gagawin natin is dark chocolate and salted caramel. Very first na DIY for milk tea product. I'm very excited, tapos kinakabahan ako sana maging successful tong gagawin natin na milk tea DIY. So their kit contains 1 pack of tapioca pearls, 1 pack of tea bag, 1 pack of non-dairy creamer, 1 pack of milk tea flavor, 1 pack of fructose pouch, 1 pack of brown sugar, 1 reusable cup, 2 boba straw. So meron silang guide and procedure kung anong unang gagawin sa DIY milk tea. So number 1, prepare your milk tea. soak the black tea in 400 ml of boiling water for 12 minutes. So ito mga nos, yung Assam black tea nila. Meron ako naka-ready na French press and also yung hot boiling water. Ito ay dalawa ko na siya mga nos kasi for salted caramel and chocolate. Pour lang natin yung hot water. So mamaya lang natin i-press, set aside lang muna natin for 12 minutes. In a shaker or tumbler, put a pack of non-dairy creamer. So sadly, wala po tayong shaker, pero meron ako dito tumblers, and reusable tumblers. So next is put the Milktea flavor. So meron tayong dalawang flavors. We have salted caramel and also chocolate. So this is salted caramel. Chocolate flavor. Set aside ko lang mga nos bago natin i-pour yung tea essence for our Milktea product. I-discuss ko lang yung kung paano procedure for tapioca pearls. So I'll be providing pictures or videos kung paano i-prepare. So to prepare your pearls, first is boil 400 ml of water, then pour 1 pack of tapioca pearls into a boiling water. Cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Iluluto kayo ng tapioca pearls, dapat i-stir niyo siya habang niluluto para hindi siya nag-stick, tapos mag-separate talaga siya. Then drain the water and add brown sugar and caramelize the pearls for 3 minutes. Ito po yung itsura ng tapioca pearls. Ayan. Naging black na siya. So yung nilagay ko dito for brown sugar, isang pack lang. Kasi ayoko yung masyadong matamis. Gusto ko yung sakto lang. Ma-achieve nyo yung black color kapag nag-caramelize kayo ng brown sugar. Ito po yung result niya. Ito depende sa preference nyo. Kung gusto nyo more sa tea essence, pwede. Less yung sugar, pwede din. Pwede nyo i-adjust sa brown sugar or yung sa fructose. After 12 minutes, ready na yung tea natin. So, i-press na natin. And pour the hot black tea and mix to dissolve the mixture. So, pour lang natin. So, this is salted caramel. Mix lang natin para mag-dissolve yung mixture. Shake lang natin ng konti. So ito po yung salted caramel, na-dissolve na natin yung mixture and also yung tea essence na lagay na natin. Tikman ko lang yung mixture ko kung okay. Pasado mga nos, when it comes sa mixture, lasang-lasa ko yung tea essence niya, tapos yung flavor niya for salted caramel and also for dark chocolate, ito present din. Ito yung gusto ko, very well balanced. Procedure natin is pour 1 pack of fructose to the mixture. Ito po yung fructose. Ayan. So nag-decide po ako na hindi ko po lagyan ng fructose for my Milktea products. Okay na sa akin yung lasa for tea essence and also for their flavors. So, depends naman po sa preference nyo. Kung gusto nyo lagyan ng fructose sa DIY Milktea nyo, okay na okay din po. Ready na po natin yung cups. Yung next is, lagyan po natin yung cups natin ng tapioca pearls. Next is yung ice natin. Ito depende po sa preference nyo kung gusto nyo yung less ice or more ice. Then to make sure, para hindi magtapon, this is salted caramel mga nos. Paglagay ng cover mga nos or lid, very careful lang kasi sobrang nipis lang ng packaging niya. Last natin si dark chocolate. And small tip lang mga nos, kapag may nakita kayong ito, under the rim, meron siyang line. Hanggang dyan lang po yung mixture nyo for your Milktea para hindi po kayo mahirapan mag-close for your lids. Kasi finished product mga nos for dark chocolate Milktea and also for salted caramel by TEAjuana. Hindi naman nag-overpower yung sweetness niya, pero well-balanced naman siya when it comes sa sweetness and also for its texture and sa salted caramel Milktea. Parang international brand talaga mga nos. Next natin is si dark chocolate Milktea. Nandun yung texture or richness for its chocolate, on point siya, essence, aftertaste siya. Hindi siya nagsapawan for their flavors, pero nag-well blend talaga for this product. A rating mga nos for Delishable for all of their flavors, especially for their Portuguese tarts, I'll give it a perfect 10. TEAjuana DIY Milktea Kit, and for their products, I'll give it a perfect 10. And first time kumatry yung ube halaya tart, and also for Boba Sugar Tart. Ito, na-amaze ako. Yung quality, very premium, very abroad-like. Yung texture. When it comes sa DIY milk tea kit nila for salted caramel and dark chocolate for package of 200 pesos. Ito, worth it na talaga. And also for me, first time, DIY milk tea. Ito, sobrang na-impress ako. Sobrang proud ako sa sarili ko. Kasi, finally, nakagawa ko ng milk tea. Thank you so much, TEAjuana. Matagal ko na siyang gustong gawin. Gusto kong gawing content, especially for DIY and also for taste test. Hindi ko na-expect for 2 brands ko siya for 1 episode. Pinapangarap kong flavor, especially for tart, yung ube halaya and also for boba sugar. Thank you so much, TEAjuana and Delish, for this opportunity na i-feature ko yung products nyo. Sa lahat po ng efforts nyo, for your time and for your trust for drinking nose. TEAjuana and Delish has excellent quality of products, very accommodating baristas and owners, budget-friendly, certified, drinking nose, standards approved. Once again, thank you so much and congratulations to Delish and TEAjuana. Keep safe mga nose. Bye!